Do you know how to install the Google's cookie in your WordPress site? Well, you have to follow me until the end of this video because you're going to know how to install this beautiful cookie in your website that will boost your sales in the future. You're going to do remarketing campaigns with this cookie, and let's get started. What the first thing you have to do is to go to the analytics of Google. There is analytics Google.com, and once you are in the dashboard of the analytics, you have to go to this part on the top, on the left top of the page. It is a button called admin. We're going to click on it, and then we're going to wait until this is be charged. We're going to be in the middle of the part, and we're going to click here in the tracking info. In this part, we're going to know the code. We're going to click here in the tracking code, and immediately we have to copy and paste this code. It is important that we have to be, it must be activated. It is only necessary to click on the part, and that is everything. So here is the website tracking. We're going to click here. We copy that text, and we have to go to the dashboard of our WordPress website. This is my WordPress website of Digital Marketing Agency Canada. If you want to subscribe to my course, you're going to learn a lot different things, since the finance of your company, how to calculate the price of your product, how to calculate the clearing point, to know the minimum sales that you need, and until the part to create sales with social media. It is completely in Spanish. I'm sorry if you are watching me in this section in English, but it is in Spanish. So I'm going to install this. Well, this is the dashboard of the WordPress. It is important that you have to know a little bit the infrastructure of this, and we are going to go to this part that is called appearance, and then click on theme editor. Once you are there, it is important that we have to check something. My theme is called Saya Blog. This Saya Blog gives me the appearance of my web page. I can upload different ideas, different images, and well, I really like it because it is a simple page, and I consider that people do not distract in this web page. So the next part, we're going to select here and go to only the Saya, that is the main theme, and we're going to choose the button select. We're going to have to wait, and analytics recommends that this is the global site tag and must be copy and paste this code of the first item to the head of every web page you want to track. If you already have a global site tag, at the end of these words, we have to mention that we have to paste after the head option. So we have to move to this part. We have selected the Saya, and we're going to find this part that is called header.php, and we're going to find the word head, and here it is the part the head and head, but we're going to paste in this part. As you can see, I have here the pixel of my Facebook pixel, and after that I have the global site of the Google Analytics. This is the track coding. So I'm going to delete because I have already written here, and I'm going to paste again. Just the reason is that you can see how I can paste that. So I'm going to paste here just after this, and that is ready. We go to the update file, I'm sorry, and we wait until the process is finished. It takes probably 30 seconds, and once that is the file has updated with successful. It is in Spanish. I'm sorry, I do not know why it appears. So probably because it is my first language and I have had the dashboard in Spanish. Probably this is the reason it is written in Spanish. However, this same lecture must be in English. And that is everything. You have installed the tracking code in your web page, your WordPress web page, and we're going to check it if it is working. We return to the analytics web page, and we're going to click here and the click that is called send test traffic. And we're going to wait when our web page is loaded. And I'm sorry, probably I know this is in English, and we have to return. And you have to check that you have an active user right now. If something appears that it's 0 active users, probably you did it not well enough. So check it out. You can press this button and ask to Google why it is not working. But in general, your tracking code must be working okay. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. With this code installed, you can track every action that your customers could do, or the user could be doing in the web page. So I consider that it is crucial because you can track what the customers are doing, or the users are doing, and how to do the right steps in order that the user could purchase your products and or your services that you are offering, or simply probably you really want to have more traffic in your web page, because I don't know what is your main purpose of this web page, but this is the analytics. So I'm going to show you just a little bit of the outcomes that I have with this, and I can track some value actions. For example, if someone is checking my website, and I can decide that they could buy my courses. So if you are interested, you can buy my course. It is in Spanish. If you really want to learn Spanish, it is probably is quite similar. For example, I have a competition that someone has paid my entrepreneurship course. Well, but this is everything that I want to show you. I hope you are following the next video, because we're going to do excellent things in this web page, and follow me and subscribe and active the bell and give a like in order to share my content. Please share my content if you liked it. So I just have to say goodbye and see you next time.